Are you tired of tossing and turning all night, struggling to fall asleep? If counting sheep and staring at the ceiling isn't cutting it, you're not alone. Many of us wish we could simply close our eyes and drift off into a peaceful slumber with ease. Instead of reaching for sleeping pills, have you ever considered turning to natural remedies? In today's video, we're going to explore 9 delicious and easy-to-make beverages that could be the key to your best sleep ever. Backed by science, these drinks might just be the bedtime game changer you've been looking for. We'll delve into the ingredients, uncover the science behind why they work, and show you how to seamlessly incorporate them into your nightly routine. From time-honored herbal teas to a vibrant golden drink that's as calming as it is beautiful, these beverages offer a natural approach to getting the restful sleep you deserve. So, if you're ready to sip your way to a better night's sleep, stay tuned to the end to find out which drink might have you sleeping like a baby. Valerian root is one of the most widely recognized herbs for promoting sleep. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat insomnia and anxiety. The herb works by increasing the levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid GABA in the brain, which helps to calm the nervous system and induce sleep. Studies have shown that valerian root can reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and improve the overall quality of sleep. Valerian root is available in various forms, including capsules, tinctures, and teas. To use it as a sleep aid, brew a cup of valerian tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of dried valerian root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink it 30 minutes before bedtime for the best results. Chamomile is another herb with a long history of use as a natural remedy for insomnia. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in the brain that may promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. Chamomile is also known for its calming effects, making it an excellent choice for those who struggle with anxiety-induced insomnia. Chamomile tea is the most common way to consume this herb. Simply steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink a cup of chamomile tea before bed to help relax your mind and body. 3. Lavender. Lavender is well known for its soothing fragrance, which has been shown to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. The essential oil derived from lavender is particularly effective in promoting relaxation and sleep. Research suggests that inhaling lavender oil can lead to deeper and more restful sleep. Lavender can be used in several ways to aid sleep. You can add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser in your bedroom or apply it directly to your pillow. Alternatively, a cup of lavender tea, made from dried lavender flowers, can be consumed before bed to enhance sleep. 4. Passion flower. Passion flower is a lesser-known herb that has been traditionally used to treat sleep problems. It works by increasing GABA levels in the brain, similar to valerian root, which helps to relax the nervous system. Passion flower is particularly useful for those who experience insomnia due to stress or anxiety. Passion flower is available in various forms, including teas, tinctures, and capsules. To prepare a sleep-inducing tea, steep 1 teaspoon of dried passion flower in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink it 30 minutes before bedtime to help ease your mind and prepare for sleep. 5. Lemon balm. Lemon balm, a member of the mint family, has been used for centuries to reduce stress and promote sleep. It contains compounds that have mild sedative effects, making it useful for those who struggle with insomnia due to stress or anxiety. Lemon balm can be consumed as a tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried leaves in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also find lemon balm in tincture and capsule forms. For a calming effect, drink a cup of lemon balm tea before bedtime. 6. Magnolia bark. Magnolia bark is an herb used in traditional Chinese medicine for its sedative properties. It contains compounds such as hanokiol and magnolol, which have been shown to reduce anxiety and promote sleep. Magnolia bark is particularly beneficial for those who experience insomnia due to an overactive mind or stress. Magnolia bark is available in capsule, powder, and tea forms. To make a sleep-inducing tea, steep 1 teaspoon of magnolia bark in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink it before bed to help calm your mind and encourage restful sleep. 7. Hops. Hops, commonly known for their use in beer production, have sedative properties that can help with sleep. The herb contains compounds that act on the nervous system to induce relaxation and sleep. Hops are particularly effective when combined with valerian root. Hops can be consumed as a tea by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried hops in hot water for 10 minutes. You can also find hops in tincture and capsule forms. Drinking hops tea before bed can help improve sleep quality. 8. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that has been used in Ayurvedic medicine to reduce stress and improve sleep. It helps to balance cortisol levels, which can disrupt sleep when elevated. Ashwagandha is particularly useful for those who experience insomnia due to chronic stress. Ashwagandha is available in powder, capsule, and tincture forms. To use it as a sleep aid, mix 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder with warm milk or water and drink it before bed. Alternatively, take ashwagandha capsules as directed by the manufacturer. 9. Ginseng. Ginseng is another adaptogenic herb that helps the body cope with stress, thereby improving sleep. It has been shown to regulate the sleep-wake cycle and reduce symptoms of insomnia, especially in individuals with chronic fatigue or stress-related sleep disorders. Ginseng can be consumed as a tea by steeping 1 teaspoon of dried ginseng root in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also find ginseng in capsule or tincture forms. Drink ginseng tea in the evening to help promote restful sleep. While there are drinks that help you sleep, there are also drinks that can keep you up at night. Here are 3 you should avoid to ensure a good night's sleep. 1. Caffeinated drinks. Beverages like coffee, tea, energy drinks, and some sodas contain caffeine, a stimulant that can keep you awake. Even consuming caffeine 6 hours before bedtime can significantly disrupt your sleep cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing the quality of your sleep. 2. Alcohol. While a glass of wine or a cocktail may help you sleep, alcohol can negatively impact your sleep habits. It can cause you to wake up frequently during the night, disrupt REM rapid eye movement sleep, and lead to poor sleep quality. Avoiding alcohol in the evening can help ensure deeper, more restorative sleep. 3. Sugary drinks. Drinks that are high in sugar, such as soda, some fruit juices, and sweetened teas, can cause blood sugar spikes. This not only makes it harder to fall asleep, but can also lead to insomnia throughout the night. Opting for water or herbal tea without added sugar is a better option to promote restful sleep. By avoiding these drinks in the evening, you can improve your chances of getting a full, restful night's sleep, which is important for maintaining physical and mental health. As we wrap up this exploration of natural sleep aids, particularly the beverages that may enhance your sleep quality, it's important to remember that everyone's body responds differently. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. Therefore, I encourage you to experiment with these drinks to see what best supports your journey toward better sleep. I'd love to hear about your experiences and favorite bedtime beverages. Please share them in the comments below. Your insights could help others who are also seeking better rest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want more tips on improving your sleep, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Wishing you a restful night's sleep, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.